a shirt like me.
Your shirt like you? Who got that for Emma?
Me.
No, who bought it?
It's Moshi.
Auntie Rosie, yeah. See, you gonna put them all down for us? Say hi, Aunt Rosie. Say love you. We just woke up. Can you say love you, Aunt Rosie? She's doing her own thing. She's taking the clothes from there and putting them there. They're very cute. Thank you.